Hi partners, my name is Ronald Adrian Suarez. We will see the company for the development of this activity is siigo. They use policies. The purpose of the policy of the protection of personal data is to comply with the provision of law. Its regulatory decree and other concordant norms that regulate the constitutional right of citizens to authorize the treatment of their personal data, as well as to now update and rectify the information that has been collected about them in the database or in file of public and private entities. They apply to all personal data registered in personal or virtually, directly or through third parties in the database of siigo, and the company or the entity that are part in the organization, with the exception established for below. For each treatment, so that owner of the data access or can access and product, service, offer, promotion, benefit, and organic supporting and legal relationship with the company. This is a technical description. Work with different operating system and home basic, professional, and other system, and see with and different station and Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and version Office 2 started at home and professional. This is and place and turning of polymer, and I see the version for counter is free, and for entrepreneur some version free, and depending on the version you chose, and professional, independent, and emprendedor, and premium. The right of the holders now update and rectify your personal data and front of the treatment managers or treatment managers. This right may be exercised, among others, against parties inaccurate, incomplete, fractional data that is misleading, or those whose treatment is expressive prohibit of the being authorized. Request proof of the authorization guaranteed that the date controlled except when expressly accepted and requirement for treatment in accordance with the provision of the law. with complaint in the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce for infractions of the provision of the last law and the other regulation that modified and completed it, and revoked the authorization and or request the suppression of the date with and determine their principals' rights or constitutional and legal guarantees are not respected in the terms of law and the jurisprudence that interprets it. If free access to your personal data that has been processed. Thanks.